What's up people, Jason R here, and my room is one of my most favorite and least favorite creations. A lot of the time it's a mess, cause life's pretty crazy and I'm rushing to get stuff done. But on better days, when stuff is organized and I turn on my lights and get a color scheme set up and then maybe put some relaxing ocean sounds in the background, then I become more proud and happy with my room. I've also been making some improvements since my last room tour. I added the 2 lamps with the Wixann bulbs a little while ago, and I added some LED strips in various places, and I also put in my brightest smart bulb yet into the IKEA desk lamp. So in this video, I'll be discussing a few of the different lighting techniques I've used to improve my room setup, and rounding things out talking about this Novostella bulb and the giveaway we set up for you guys. The single biggest thing I've added to my room recently is the 2 Walmart lamps with the smart bulbs in them that I popped on top of my dresser. I honestly think it's the nicest looking single section of my room because it's one of the few areas that's purely for aesthetic. I mean, I do charge my iPad there, and when I had a jar of coffee grounds there, I'd occasionally pick them up to brew a cup, but besides that, the main function is just throwing a splash of color into the room by changing the color of the lights. I think pure white is great for focus and just sitting down to get some work done. I'll typically do pink or teal for just relaxing and playing Minecraft, and royal blue goes really nice when it's raining outside and you got that natural rain soundtrack to complement everything. But all that's made possible by the smart home app I'm currently tied to, which is Smart Life by QZYL. It connects to my Wixann bulbs, my alarm clock, and the Novostella bulb I'll talk about in a bit, and it's really nice to be able to control all the important stuff from one place. Except for the LED strips, that is. I got these at a real affordable price on Amazon, literally more than a meter of length per dollar spent, but the downside was these didn't have any app compatibility or any smart functions besides the proprietary control app. So I typically use just the remote for these, and because it works well enough and I got such a good deal with the price, I can't complain too much with these. I've always seen people with strips under their bed and desk to kind of get that levitation effect, and I kind of use that strategy with the placement of my lights as well. Also, I might eventually get a smart plug to get these strips to work with the Smart Life app, but for now, it ain't too bad of a setup. Lastly but not leastly, this is the Novostella Smart Bulb, which is actually a 120 watt equivalent bulb instead of the 80 watt equivalent of the Wixanns. That's actually 20% brighter than the brightest Philips Hue bulb out right now, and 50% brighter than the other smart bulbs I got. So there's definitely a difference in colors and brightness with this bulb. Now, it does come with a more hefty price tag than the Wixann bulbs, but that really is to be expected because you're getting much better performance. That, and it's still less than half the price of that comparable Philips Hue kit. But back to the quality, I definitely noticed right off the bat just how much deeper the colors are with this bulb. I think that's actually the main advantage of a brighter bulb, that colors will just be more vibrant and impressive than other bulbs. But either way, all my smart bulbs serve their purpose well. I will link both of the brands down below, and they both work with the QZYL Smart Life app. Now, the giveaway. Novostella and I have teamed up to bless 2 of y'all with a single bulb and a starter pack, and all the info and ways to enter are located in the description below. Also, from the giveaway page, there's a little box to grab a neat 10% off code that you can use if you want to buy your own lights. I appreciate everyone for being here today. Thank you for 20K, by the way, and I will see you in the next video.